In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Workzone features comparison, which is better for project management. If you're trying to choose a project management platform that actually helps your team deliver faster with less friction, you're in the right place. We'll look at how each tool approaches everyday work, the kinds of features you'll live in day to day, and the strengths that make each one stand out. By the end, you'll have a clear sense of which option aligns with your needs, whether you're running marketing campaigns, managing operations, shipping software, or supporting an internal PMO. Let's start with ClickUp. It positions itself as the software to replace all software, and that ambition shows up in the breadth of what it covers. The big pain it targets is work sprawl, the reality that a lot of context gets scattered across chats, docs, and different tools. The claim is that roughly 60% of work can get lost in that shuffle, and ClickUp's answer is to bring tasks, docs, whiteboards, goals, and reporting into one place. At the center is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant designed to surface answers in context, help manage projects, and convert speech to text so you can draft 4 times faster. The idea is that you spend less time switching, searching, and rewriting, and more time moving work forward. Beyond the core assistant, ClickUp leans into specialized AI agents for different departments. Project management agents can track deliverables and keep dependencies and statuses current. Marketing agents help draft copy and creative briefs. Software agents aim to produce cleaner code and summarize tickets, while other agents support operations, streamline employee experience tasks, and reduce those repetitive check-ins that slow teams down. The promise is to close the gap between strategy and execution by automating coordination and turning messy updates into structured, actionable information. ClickUp also emphasizes tangible outcomes. The platform highlights a 384% return on investment, big-time savings measured in tens of thousands of hours, and a payback period measured in months rather than years. It's widely adopted, with millions of users, and offers enterprise-grade controls and certifications such as SOC 2 and GDPR compliance. For organizations that need one system that spans departments, with docs, goals, resource views, dashboards, and AI woven through, the appeal is strong. It's especially compelling if you want AI to sit alongside your tasks, meetings, and documentation, so the context is always at your fingertips. Now, let's look at Workzone. Its focus is project management made simple, particularly for marketing, operations, and IT teams that want power without bloat. Instead of trying to replace everything, Workzone is built to manage the entire project lifecycle cleanly. Intake requests flow in, projects and tasks are organized, teams collaborate and proof documents, and leaders track budgets and workloads. The goal is predictable structure. Everyone knows where work starts, how it moves, and what's due next. A standout advantage is speed to launch. Workzone includes more than 1,000 pre-built templates, tailored to industries like healthcare, higher education, and agencies. That means you can spin up repeatable processes in seconds and enforce consistency without reinventing workflows. Purpose-built features help marketing stay on strategy. Operations keep processes tight. PMOs maintain standards, and IT ensure security and scalability. What you'll notice day to day is a single view that shows status and ownership, straightforward proofing and approvals, and reporting that speaks the language of budgets, capacity, and deadlines. Another differentiator is support. Workzone provides unlimited training and help from real humans, with fast response times. If your team values having an expert on call to guide rollout and answer questions quickly, that can cut the learning curve dramatically. Pricing is also simple, starting at a low per-user rate, and there are options to try it for free or book a demo so you can see the structure working with your projects. The platform highlights case studies where teams nearly doubled their project capacity by bringing structure and visibility to their work. So which is better for your team? It comes down to what you value most. If you want an all-in-one environment with deep AI assistance threaded throughout tasks, docs, and collaboration, ClickUp is designed for that. The ability to ask an assistant for context, generate drafts, and automate updates makes it attractive if you're coordinating complex, cross-functional work and you want one source of truth. Keep in mind that with breadth comes configuration. You'll get the most from it if you invest a little time in setting up spaces, views, and automations that reflect how your team actually operates. If you prefer a focused project manager that keeps things simple, enforces repeatable processes, and lets you deploy quickly with industry-specific templates, Workzone is a strong fit. Its proofing, intake, and reporting are straightforward, and the hands-on support means you won't be left figuring it out alone. For departments that want to standardize how work flows without adopting a sprawling toolset, the clarity and speed can be a major advantage. Security and governance also matter. ClickUp touts enterprise-grade standards like SOC 2 and GDPR compliance, while Workzone emphasizes secure and scalable configurations for IT. If your projects handle sensitive data, or you report to a strict compliance framework, involve your security stakeholders early and map your requirements to each platform's controls. Finally, consider total cost versus value. Workzone's clear starting price is appealing for straightforward deployments with fast time to value. ClickUp's pitch centers on productivity gains and consolidation, reducing the number of tools you pay for and the time you spend bouncing between them. The right choice depends on whether you want a focused project engine